In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install MySims, the cozy bundle, on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we will start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, the first step is go to Google and we have to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed. So search for the Steam website, then click on it, and after that type in the game MySims. So select it, and as you can see, this game exists out of two different games. It is a bundle. So if you would like to get these games, then you can see this price is €39.99. But if you click on the link in the description, then you will be redirected to this website. And once we are there, we will search for MySims. And as you can see, we have different options at the moment. We can go for the cozy bundle as stated on Steam, so 2 games. Or you can just buy the MySims game, and that can be quite a difference in price, because on Steam this game is €40 and here it is already 37. Then you will get 2 games. If you just want the game MySims on your PC, then you can choose for the EA app to download it and you will get a key from it. So choose whatever you want, and once you are buying this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow to download, install and play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!